Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another price prediction video on Binance Coins, as we haven't spoke about this one in the entire bull market rally we've just been through for the past couple of months. Today, I decided to speak on the price prediction for January for the Binance Coin, which is finally moving, and it is portraying more than $1 billion volume for the past 24 hours. So there is people trading it, there is people engaging with this one. Yet I'd like to share with you what is visible and what is approachable from the price action side. Before we dive into the charts, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me for many other price prediction and educational materials, including trading materials, where I'm trading, performing, especially on live, and you can see my performances across the board in the YouTube shorts as well. For those of you that would like to join my trades, we have my trading journal right here. Option number one is a done for you format without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. It's trading through API, trading permission completely outsourced for you, commission based on performance every 7 days. Simple and straightforward. At the same time, the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is interested to become a certified professional trader, whether we speak about part-time or full-time, most likely to act correctly and hit financial freedom. Now, Binance Coin, what is out there with the daily candlesticks? We're speaking about a situation which looks great, guys. Although it has been a cryptocurrency which didn't perform well in the past couple of weeks, yet still delivered 67%. So it has been amongst the lower average side of delivery, which means that the category of cryptos that performed anywhere between 40% up to 90% are in the low performance, and it's one of a kind that is in the middle of the low performance cryptocurrencies during this season, considering that they had issues with the lawsuit, SEC, previous CEO, and all that stuff. A lot of the problems around Binance Coin in terms of the way they have been arranged by the media, in terms of the way they have been arranged probably with some kind of competition because of FTX problems as well. So all sorts of internal and external political games and so on I don't dive into. Yet what I speak about is that the market of Binance Coin is aiming to recover, which is a great sign, by the way. So number one thing that we care about is how we have retraced and the reaction afterwards. This reaction is most likely proving that the markets are going to revisit the highs. This highs that we have as a supply area situated between $340 up to $350 is actually the supply area of an accumulation stage of the end of the bear market. We didn't get out of it. We are still under this area, which means that there is a limit towards the upside, and this limit has to be broken. At the time you break out of it, you are going to speak about the phase as an entry phase of the bull market, which means obviously a total different market circumstance. Yet we can consider that there is certain major levels that will not be easy to get through, such as the supply at the top. For sure, it's not an easy, although in the way we have reacted our demand level right here, especially 20 days moving average, and our demand zone is very, very strong, which means that we shouldn't have any problems pushing basically to the top, which is around 6 to 7%. Not a big deal at all. Of course, it depends as well how does BTC move in the future days as well this week. So it's very important how does the context of the entire market looks like in order to allow Binance Coin to continue its rally. What do we expect basically for January? Well, in a nutshell, we would expect basically to touch the supply, whether you would like to retrace back to the golden pocket, and then we expect basically the breakout of the supply. The breakout will always happen about 350 with a confirmation above. The problem with a fake out has been also represented right here, and it is quite of a popular market and price action movement these days, where they are trapping people into longs and then collapsing the markets. So I don't want you to feel that. I don't want you to get liquidated because of that, which means that the breakout has to be confirmed. If you are a breakout trader, which is something dangerous and not really financially beneficial, then you have to wait for this extra step if you'd like to do that way. Double verification of the breakout. So then, once that happens, I would actually target the 1.68 minor extension and the major extension of 12722 along the way with the minor at 2. So that's at 390 bucks. Right, so there's actually two major targets that I would work with for January as soon as the market is getting back to the supply level at the top. We have huge chances of breaking out, whether we retrace to the golden pocket and break out afterwards, or we continue basically our rally and break out without any retracement. We are speaking about a movement from here of 16% basically to the first target. And for the second target, we're looking for on a 24-25%, guys. This is something that I'd like to outcome as well. From the lowest part of the charts, we are having a movement of 24 towards the first target, and then you have a complete movement of 31%. Do not forget that out of January, there's just about 2 weeks left. So I'm not speaking about what could happen in February, March, and so on. We're just relating to this 2-week segment in which Binance Coin seems to be having a good momentum as a starting point as we speak, and then this is about to continue as soon as we have the ability to keep the market environment healthy. A healthy environment is definitely not one of a kind, which is putting together market crashes and collapses or any form of external news that would determine massive selling pressure. So at the moment, that's it with the Binance Coin. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, check out the Done For You Trading, my trading journal, where you can participate. You can reach out to me for a free conversation and enjoy, including the one-on-one coaching program, folks. For those of you that would like to participate and be part of it, make sure to check out the video of how does it work as well in a detailed explanation. Qualify for a free conversation with me by register now. This is a comprehensive program where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade from A to Z. Great, guys. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon. Take care.